Now focus on getting this away from me. Okay, I didn't expect that. But how good did that work? Okay? I got a few stabs in, but he used my system against me and just smashed me. And I'm the big dude. Oh, that's how good it worked. Right there. We're going to do that again. If I pick up a bat, I'm going to swing as hard as I can. See, I don't care where it is. Warning, what you're about to learn could kill. You should never use what I teach unless you or your family's life is on the line. My BET target-based self-defense system should only be used in a worst case, life or death situation. Remember, targets are more important than the techniques. Hi, I'm Coach David Alexander. Thank you for purchasing my Self-Defense Made Real Easy course. In this course, you will learn my BET target-based self-defense system, the fastest to learn and most effective self-defense system in the world. It has been viewed by over 60,000 people in 60 countries. In this course, you will learn how to defeat an attacker in less than 4 seconds, how to defeat multiple attackers with weapons, how to disarm your attacker if they come at you with a knife, gun, or bat, how to practice what you've learned without training partners, and much, much more. I will also bust several martial arts myths and expose some Hollywood self-defense BS. By the way, I use adult language, I discuss graphic situations, and I show graphic video clips throughout the course to make sure you understand the severity of dealing with real violence. I'm so proud of you for taking charge of your life and purchasing this course. You will not be disappointed.